scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this are actually super fast once you see the trick. We are going to find the correct table for this integral function. Start by looking at the definition of g of x as the integral from 1 to x. This means that when x equals 1, the integral must be exactly 0. Next, notice the graph of f is negative before x equals 2. Since the function f is increasing, the values of g will decrease then increase as we move along. Checking our options, only table D correctly shows g of 1 is 0 while following the area trends. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and always trust given graphs to check your steps correctly.